In this video, we'll show you how to perform the advanced grinder cleaning for your grinder. For this process, you'll need the cleaning brush tool and a vacuum with a hose or similar attachment. First, empty and reinsert the bean hopper. Set the grind size on your unit to the coarsest setting, then grind out any remaining beans. Unlock and remove the bean hopper. Then vacuum any remaining beans or grinds. To remove the outer burr, twist the silver handle counterclockwise, then gently lift up to remove. Vacuum or clear the grinder of any loose grinds. Use the cleaning brush tool to clean both the inner and outer sides of the burr of any oil or residue. Next, loosen the dome nut screw clockwise using a set of needle nose pliers or a similar tool. Then remove the dome nut screw. Gently lift and remove the inner burr, spring washer, and flat washer. Please be careful during this step, as the inner burr may be sharp. Use the cleaning brush tool to clean the inner burr. Next, clear the grinder of any remaining grinds. Use a set of needle nose pliers or a similar tool to grasp the fan, then gently lift up to remove. Use the cleaning brush tool to clean the grind fan. Next, remove the felt washer and metal washer. Gently brush the felt washer of any loose grinds so not to tear the washer. If your unit is over a year old, we recommend replacing the felt washer as it may wear over time. Use the cleaning brush to loosen any remaining grinds. You can also insert the cleaning brush into the grind chute to push through any remaining grinds into the grinder. The following parts should have been removed from the grinder. Reinsert the metal washer, then the felt washer. Reinsert the grind fan, ensuring it is pushed down all the way. Gently reinsert the inner burr. Reinsert the spring washer, then the flat washer on top of the inner burr. Reinsert the dome nut screw by twisting counterclockwise. Then use a set of needle nose pliers or a similar tool to tighten the screw. Reinsert the outer burr. Twist the silver handle clockwise from the align to lock position. Next, reinsert and lock the bean hopper. You've now successfully completed the advanced grinder cleaning on your grinder.